Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my Nursery and Gardening Store business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into the Word portion as well as the Excel file or the financial model segment of my business plan template for the nursing and gardening store business industry. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the Nursery and Gardening Store business plan template. So if and when you do purchase the template, it does come with, again, a Word document as well as an Excel financial model, which includes your financial projections. For the Word document, what will happen when you open up the Word document is you'll be greeted with a title page. On the title page, typically what my clients are going to do is they're going to go ahead and get rid of the Nursery and Gardening Store wording. They'll put their logo in place of that, and then underneath they'll have the words business plan. The next page is going to be your table of contents. Once you update your business plan, you go through, you put a little bit of meat on the bone, you add your information to it. What you want to do is you want to come to the table of contents, click on it, click on Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK, and then all the information will update in your table accordingly. The next page is going to be your executive summary section. Any place in yellow highlights, I do recommend you go ahead and change out that information to best meet your needs or reflect how your business is going to look. For the financial highlights section, you'll pull that information out of the financial model. And then for the funding request, that's just how much money do you need to get this party started, and again, update it accordingly. Your next section is going to be your company description section. In the company description section, it's going to start off with the Nursery and Gardening Store summary. It'll then go into the competitive advantages. We'll talk about our products right here. And then they'll talk about the primary target market, your pricing strategy, hours of operation. And then it'll move right into the location, and then finally a brief strategic plan, which is underneath your business objectives and timeline segment. The next section is going to be your industry analysis. In your industry analysis, this information is obtained from IBIS World. IBIS World is the industry leader in industry research, and so I have access to the report. I summarize their information, and I've updated the model accordingly. And some of the statistics in here is going to be updated, where the revenues, the profits, profit margin, businesses in the industry, employment, and then also wages. Next section is your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. And what you'll do is you'll just go ahead and click on your smart art. And then once you click on that, you'll click on the little arrow right here. Once you see these bullet points right here, you just update that information. Just update the text with your information. Our next section is going to be our organizational structure. It comes in two segments, which is the ownership section, and then our organizational chart. Ownership information, again, just update that with your information, make it your own. And for the organizational chart, again, we're at the smart art. You click on it, pull out the arrows, and then update the bullet points. Our marketing section, typically a nursery and gardening store, they typically are going to be advertising with 3 marketing channels, which is your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. And so I give you a great start for each one of those. Just again, update that information accordingly. We then have our funding section. How much money do you need to get the party started? What is the terms that you're expecting, and what are the interest rates you're expecting? And for the final section is going to be our financial projections. This information is going to come from the financial model, and I'll be covering the financial model briefly in the next segment of the video. But just keep in mind for the financial projections, once you update the financial model, you'll then copy and paste your profit and loss. Your profit and loss statement covers for the first 12 months, month to month, as well as quarterly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Then we have 4 through 6, quarter 2. We now have 7 through 9, quarter 3. And then we have month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then I also include a 5-year projection annually under your income statement financial projection. And again, this information is obtained from your financial model once you update that. All right, and this segment is pretty much wrapped up. And in just a second, we'll go ahead and dive into the financial model. And the final section is the financial model. So in the financial model, or the financial model does come in an Excel file. And in the Excel file, we do have 4 tabs. It's the information page, your projections, which is just a summary of your financial projections. Then we've got the profit and loss statement, which is your next 12 month of profit and loss. And again, once you update your information page, then you'll just copy and paste the financial statements into your business plan. And then finally, we have the income statement, for which is your projections for the next 5 years. Again, once you make your changes to the information page, you'll then copy and paste your profit and loss statements and your income statement into the Word document portion of the business plan. So on the information page, anywhere in darker color cells, that's information you want to go ahead and update. I do offer a more in-depth tutorial on how to use my financial model, and it is on my website. But the sections that you can update in this financial model is going to be your daily sales, it's going to be your labor, your startup cost, your monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, which is your taxes, your growth rates annually for your sales for the next 5 years, and then your cost of goods annually, and then finally your loan information. So again, once you update any of these darker color cells, the information will update into your projections, your profit and loss tab, as well as your income statement tab. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out and make a little bit of money and have a great day. Thank you.